Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 12 major hair transformations. These of course will all be from long to short. Loving this bowl cut style pixie makeover, absolutely stunning. And then we do see someone with mid-length hair, and she's decided to switch it up with a pixie. Gorgeous asymmetrical pixie style, followed by someone going from mid-length hair to a bob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a razor haircut. Gorgeous layered style. And then we have someone going from pretty long waist length hair to something a little bit more carefree. So she ended up cutting her hair because of anxiety and depression, and she needed to just kind of do something different, and cutting her hair was the best thing. She looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone go from long hair to this beautiful bob haircut. So leave me in the comments below which hair transformation from today's video is your favorite. Loving this lob with this gorgeous mix of burgundy, money piece highlights, and the undercolor trend with that one. Absolutely gorgeous combo. And then we see someone go from tailbone length hair, beautiful wavy texture, to a chic bob haircut. Then once again, someone with beautiful waist length hair, to this beautiful curly cut. So we have someone else who has tailbone length hair, and she ends up getting a beautiful bob haircut.